Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Dmail network airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now Dmail is similar to Gmail except that your wallet address becomes your email address. So in total 7.5 million Dmail tokens would be airdropped out of the total circulating supply of 200 million, which is pretty low. Now here you can mint your free Dmail NFTs or free Dmail email address over here. So as you can see, there are some free mints that are available every day, and you can swap between networks over here. So some networks will have fees, like Ethereum and BNB are having fees, and ZK Sync, I think every day it's a free mint for 8 to 11 digits character. So let's take an example, like if we type in any random thing Goliath AS and search for domain, as you can see it's available for free. So all you have to do is you will need to click on lock and buy and do your own research, because this is not a financial advice. Now they also have something called as a point system where you have to complete certain tasks in order to get points where you can upgrade your email. Now I will leave a sign up link in the description. You can use my link where you will be getting some additional points, even I will be getting some additional points. Now in this interface you can go ahead and check if you are eligible for the airdrop by simply connecting your wallet, maybe a metamask wallet, and simply click on check eligibility and claim your airdrop tokens. Now with the points that you have accumulated, you can upgrade your plan. So as you can see, there are different plans over here depending on how much points you have, and you can redeem. So this is basically a free upgrade right now. They also have something coming like a NFT marketplace where you will be able to buy and sell your email addresses in this NFT marketplace. Now for sending email, every time you will need to pay certain gas fees. So I'm not sure whether this is a good option or not, to be honest, but although do your own research, and if you feel like going ahead and applying for this airdrop, please feel free to do it. And there are a lot of bearish comments on this coin market cap, so I'm not sure about the potential of this project because it's sitting at only like 5.22 million market cap and with an overall supply of 200 million. So this is all about Dmail token and its airdrop, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.